Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, 10th class. Now we will continue, my dear students, the exercise 1.4 radical equations from Punjab textbook board Bahawalpur. We have done some questions in our previous video and now this is the second part of this exercise. Question number 8, 4a plus x square root minus a minus x is equals to a square root. This is equation number A. So now, my dear students, there is no need to shift any value from left to right because all the values are in the radical sign. So we will take the square of the sides. Square of left hand side equals to square of right hand side, and then this is a minus b whole square. So according to this we will write a square plus b square minus 2ab. And square of the right hand side, square will be cancelled by square root. Square will be cancelled by the radical sign and we will get 4a plus x plus a minus x minus 2. Here we will multiply these values and get 4a square minus 4ax plus ax minus plus ax square is equals to a. Plus x and minus x will be cancelled. 4a plus 1a equals to 5a. We will write 5a to the right. We will write the 5a to the right hand side, means constant value, and here we will write minus 2 4a square plus minus 4 minus 1 equals to minus 3 minus x square is equals to a minus 5a. Now this is minus 4a. We will in next step we will do two steps. First of all, we will divide this equation by minus 2 and then we will take the square. So when we will divide this equation by minus 2, we will get minus x square minus 3x plus 4a square. Square root is equals to, and this is the minus plus 2 to the 4, 2a square. So remove the radical sign or square root with the square and then find minus x minus 3ax plus 4a square minus 4a square is equals to 0. 4a square minus 4a square will be cancelled and we will take minus x as common. So minus x into x plus 3 is equals to 0. From this we will get two values. X is equals to 0 and x is equals to minus 3a. Now this is the time to find the check. Write the question carefully and then we will put first value of x which is equals to 0 in equation number A. So we will put the value of x is equals to 0 instead of in place of x. And then we will get 4a minus a square root is equals to a square root a. 4 is the square root of 2. It will be 2 into square root a minus a. We will subtract 2 from 1. We will get a square root is equals to a square root, which is true. Now we will put x is equals to minus 3 in equation A. Minus 3 is the second value of x. And now after putting these values, we will get that a minus 2a square root is equals to plus square root a. This is not true. This is the false because this is negative value and this is positive. Both are not equal. So the solution set. So it will not satisfy the value. So that's why this is the extraneous root and 0 satisfied. So this is the solution set. My dear student, now we will move to our last question. Remember one thing. In our last question, the values which are written in the radical sign are the quadratic form. In this situation, there is no need to find the check. Okay? We will just do the question. You can observe that there is x square plus x and x square plus x are the same. So we will put it with y to make the question easy. So we will put it y. It will becomes y plus 1, y minus 1 equals to 1. So by taking square on both sides, we will get y plus 1 plus y minus 1 minus 2 y square minus 1 is equals to 1. This is a plus b into a minus b. 1 plus 1 will be cancelled. Minus 1 plus 1 will be cancelled. Y plus y is equals to 2y minus 2 into y square minus 1 is equals to 1. We will write the constant values to right hand side and after that we will take the square on both sides. The square of the negative value will be the positive. So 2 will be, the square of 2 is equals to 4 and here radical sign will be cancelled. So 4 into y square minus 1 is equals to 1 minus 4y plus 4y square. So we will write all the values to right hand side left hand side, and we will cancel 5 square is equals to minus 4y square and get 4y plus minus plus minus 5 is equals to 0. So we will put the value of y is equals to x square plus x, because this is the actual variable, and after that we will get the quadratic equation 4x square plus 4x minus 5 is equals to 0. It cannot be factorized and there is no formula, so that's why we will use the quadratic formula to solve this one. By applying the quadratic formula as in exercise 1.2 and 1.3 we have done, we will find the value of x, which is equals to minus 1 plus minus square root 6 by 2. This is the solution set. Okay, take care yourself, my dear student. This is the end of our chapter number 1.